A home speaks about the character who lives in. I am Shija Sanil. Today we can explore Dennis residence near Athirappilly. In the initial stages of site visits, we could see extensive growth of bamboos, and this was one reason to bring in rattan furniture as a design element in living room. This is a cutout from the staircase area to living room, and these monstera leaves is a wall decor from here, and from the other side it acts as a baluster of the staircase. A small garden space is introduced in the powder room along with rustic theme to settle the mood. Staircase is in the center core of the house, hence we had to plan it as a good functional and unique space. The geometric pattern on the dining table is quite exciting. By bringing the same design element on the chair, both feels like a reflection of each other. Elements of the same pattern was brought in elsewhere for continuity.